Good morning. This is Airports Authority of India, New Terminal Building, Prayagraj Airport, Prayagraj. As we all know, COVID-19 has severely affected air travel and your experience with the airports are never going to be the same. Therefore, in order to spread awareness among passengers about steps to be followed at airport in order to ensure social distancing and maintain hygiene, we are sharing with you a demo of passengers using Prayagraj Airport. Outside the terminal building, social distance markings have been put up for the passengers to stand in queue for security check. And with the help of posters, we have tried to convey maximum possible information about COVID-19 and precautions to be taken before using airport. First of all, baggage of the passenger is to be sprayed with disinfectant. Security staff will call the waiting passengers one by one. Then temperature of the passenger would be checked by staff using a thermal scanner at the thermal check-in counter. Now passenger moves forward to another counter equipped with webcam and PA system. Here he has to show his ID proof and air ticket to the webcam. The security staff on the opposite side then checks for the details on the screen of this piece. The passenger then moves inside the terminal. Provision of a dedicated airlines staff with PPE kit has been made. Machine who will ask for PNR number of passengers and print their boarding pass without letting them touch the machine. Before reaching the express machine, passenger follows a pre-decided path which has social distance marking on the floor each at 1 meter gap and has been completely bounded by queue managers. Machine, passenger puts his bag for baggage screening by himself. The passenger is sanitized immediately after use. Now moving towards the check-in counter, social distancing marking have been put up near the check-in counters as well, where the passengers wait in queue for their boarding passes. The passenger is welcomed with a counter that has been covered by a transparent sheet to avoid any physical interaction with airlines staff. Inquiring about the passenger's flight information, staff ask him to check in their baggage. Baggage tag is printed. Passenger is supposed to attach the baggage tag to the passenger by himself. Passenger will also collect the boarding pass from the printer by himself. This is done in order to minimize physical contact. Security check uses his extended HHMD to scan passengers so that there is zero physical contact.
Passenger reaches the first floor, will sit on the marked chair and wait for his turn.
Forward for boarding. Please come forward for boarding.
Once the airline staff will call, the passenger will come, follow the markings and proceed towards the aero bridge. Will scan his boarding pass, self-scan his boarding pass in the machine. And now he will proceed towards the aero bridge. Left. Will follow the markings. And finally board the flight.
Social distancing has also been ensured in baggage area with the help of square boxes marked with strips, each at 1 meter distance. We wish to serve you all again as the flight operations resume. Till then, stay at home and stay safe.